In the fast-paced world of technology, it's important to know about the newest gadgets. Tech fans are definitely excited about the release of the iPhone 15, but with new technology comes the need for new devices. One of the most important parts of any smartphone is how it charges. This video will show you what you need to charge your iPhone 15 so that you can easily stay connected. The iPhone 15 comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that lets you charge your phone by plugging it into a computer or a power charger that works with USB-C. You can also use any other USB-C cord that works with USB power delivery. Important items for charging your iPhone 15 and a power charger are what you'll need to charge your iPhone 15. These items aren't in the box anymore, but you can still buy them separately from Apple or other stores. A USB-C cord. The iPhone 15 comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that lets you charge your phone by plugging it into a computer or a power charger that works with USB-C. You can also use any other USB-C cable that works with USB power delivery, USB PD. Charger for power. Apple has many USB-C power cables to choose from, with power outputs of 18W, 20W, 29W, 30W, 35W, 61W, 67W, 87W, and 96W. Apple says to use a power charger with 20W or more for the fastest charging speeds. You can also use a USB-C power charger from a third party that works with USB PD. Charging without wires. The iPhone 15 still supports wireless charging, which is helpful for people who would rather not use a cord. You'll need a Qi-compatible wireless charger to charge your iPhone without wires. Apple makes its own MagSafe charger, which fits automatically on the back of the iPhone 15 to charge it most quickly. Accessories for MagSafe. Apple launched MagSafe technology, which is a group of magnetic add-ons that make charging better. MagSafe accessories, like MagSafe wallets and cases that work with MagSafe. Battery health. To make sure your iPhone 15 lasts as long as possible, you need to keep the battery healthy. In the device settings, Apple gives you tools to check on and improve the health of the battery. Cord from USB-C to Lightning. When you switch to a USB-C power charger, you'll also need a USB-C to Lightning cable. You need this cord to connect your iPhone 15 to the USB-C power adapter. This cable comes with the iPhone 15. Conclusion. The things we need to keep our electronics charged and working change along with technology. With the iPhone 15, the switch to USB-C, the ability to charge wirelessly, and the addition of MagSafe technology have made things easier and faster. That's all for the video today. I hope you liked our video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.